Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. So yesterday during post-market report, we talked about Nifty 17,800 and Bank Nifty 41,500. So today also we closed round about that level. Even though today again one another green candle, but it didn't change the analysis too much. So I thought of publishing a short video instead of a usual 10, 12, 15 minutes one. So all the support levels which were you can see here mentioned in yesterday's post market report stands valid today also. And your hourly candles will indicate you that there is gradually a loss in momentum on the upside, because usually what happens when we are reversing, then the indications are coming from the shorter time frame. So usually they will always come from the shorter time frame. It takes time to get reflected in the longer time frame. So whether the market is moving from uptrend to a downtrend or downtrend to uptrend, the initial indications will always come from the hourly chart. And you can see in the hourly chart today also, like yesterday also, we noticed that there is a gradual loss of momentum around that 75 RSI level in Nifty and around 70 levels I think in the Bank Nifty, 65 levels probably. So that's it. The levels, nothing to talk new about from yesterday. The same things exist. Okay, we are at resistance level and momentum is slightly slowing down on the upside. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow, and comment on the new pre-market report that I am publishing every day. How do you like it, and what else can I add in that? And always your comments are pretty appreciable. Okay, thanks for encouraging me. Thanks a lot. Have a nice evening. Bye.